In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Drive link public from your mobile. So the first thing we need to do is just make sure you have the Google Drive application installed. If you don't already have this, you can just head over to the App Store and you can go and search for Drive and you can download it completely for free on the App Store. Now, once you have the Google Drive installed, simply open up the application and then go and locate the file that you want to make public. So you can see I have a bunch of different videos and images inside of my Google Drive. So what I'm going to do is click on the three horizontal dots next to the file I want to make public, click on Manage Access, click on Restricted, click on Restricted again, and then change this to anyone with the link. So just like that, anyone now with this link is going to be able to access this file. And what you can do is click on the drop down next to Viewer, and you can decide what permissions this person has when they access the file. So you can choose to make them an editor, meaning they'll be able to edit this file. But if you just simply want them to have access to the file and to be able to view it, I'd recommend keeping this as Viewer. Then all we need to do is click on the copy link button in the top right hand side. And now we can go and share this link to whoever needs access to this file. So if I go over to an internet browser and I go and paste in that link and hit enter, you can see now we've changed this to a completely public file. So anyone with this link will be able to access this and they'll be able to download this right at the top of the screen. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.